still remains na meron kayong monitoring system, bakit hindi nyo nakita yung scam farm, which is included in the Bauco compound? Nandun lang sila sa likod.
Recognize you have 5 minutes. Since Congresswoman Bulilla is not around, next is Congressman Johnny Pimentel. You are recognized. You have 5 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, before I ask my questions, I would like to make a manifestation. During the hearing last July 31 on public order, I moved to let the committee issue a show cause order to Ms. Cassandra Leong. Ms. Cassandra Leong, as we all know, is one of the main actors in Lucky South 99 POGO operations. Now, may I inquire, Mr. Chair, since there was already a show cause order, would it be proper for this committee to issue a contempt order to Cassandra Leong, since she is also invited today, but she is a no-show?
Yes, Congressman Pimentel, we have issued a show cause order to Ms. Cassandra Leong, and it is the right of this committee to issue an order of contempt to that person if the body wants it.
So on that note, Mr. Chair, if there's no objection, this representation would like to move that this committee issue a contempt order to Ms. Cassandra Leong, Mr. Chair.
Second. So there's a motion to
I second the motion.
issue a contempt order to Ms. Cassandra Leong, and this was duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I proceed?
Go ahead,
I'd
Congressman
like to
Pimentel.
direct my question to PAGCOR. Based on the figures from PAGCOR, the total number of canceled POGOs, support providers, and special class of business process outsourcing providers, or SBPOs, from 2016 to December 2023, 402, total of 402 illegal operations have already been canceled. 72 POGOs, 309 service providers, 18 local gaming agents, and 3 SBPOs. May I inquire from PAGCOR if these figures are correct?
That is correct, Mr. Chair.
So at the moment, in spite of these cancellations of 402 illegal POGO operations, ilan po ba talaga nag-ooperate ngayon ng POGO sa buong Pilipinas as per your record?
As of date po, we have 42 internet gaming licensees po.
42? Is that correct? 42
Apo.
or 43?
42 na lang po.
Okay. Those 42 POGO operations are licensed, hindi po ba? May mga
Tama po.
lisensya yan. Ngayon, you mentioned earlier during the questioning of Congressman Franz Castro that there are illegal POGOs operating, well, mostly in Metro Manila. Do you have figures of how many illegal POGOs are operating in the entire country?
I'm sorry, sir. Can you please repeat the last question?
You mentioned earlier, dun sa questioning ni Congressman Franz Castro, that there are illegal POGOs operating in Metro Manila. Do you have a figure? Meron ka bang data na ito ilan ang illegal POGO na nag-ooperate sa buong Pilipinas?
Mr. Congressman, yun pong nabanggit po kanina na yung 402 na po na yun, ito din po kasi yung ginagamit po ng PAOK natin na chine-check po natin isa-isa kung hindi na po talaga nag-ooperate yung mga canceled POGOs, service providers from 2016 to 2024. We can provide you po kung ilan na po dito sa 402 na ito ang na-check na po natin because since po na nagkaroon po tayo ng mga coordination meetings and mga hearings, patuloy-tuloy po nating chine-check if these 402 are still operating or wala na po sila doon sa kanilang mga registered addresses. We can provide you po an update po kung ilan na po dito ang na-check na wala na po talagang operations. So para malinis po natin yung 402 po na sinasabing illegal POGOs.
So in short, Mr. Chair, wala po kayong datos ngayon na maibigay kung meron pang illegal operations ng POGO na nangyayari.
Meron po kami, pero hindi lang po namin maipapadala ngayon, but we can provide the committee po as soon as possible.
Because according to PAOK, Mr. Chair, they released a statement, whether verbally or officially, that there are more than 400 POGO operations, but only 42 are legal. Tama po ba yun, Yusek Gilbert Cruz? Andiyan po ba si Yusek Gilbert Cruz ng PAOK?
Yusek
Yes, Your Honor.
Cruz,
Yes.
please reply.
Yes, sir. Your Honor, actually, there are 402 illegal POGO sites right now. Itong 402 na ito, Your Honor, it stemmed from 298 POGOs before. Tapos, nag-issue po ito yung 298 na mga POGOs na mga sub-licenses nila. Kaya naging 402. And 43 lang po yung merong IGL license as of today. 42, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Chair, kasi hindi ko masyadong madinig, ilan talagang POGO operations ngayon, including yung illegal, including yung license, ilan talaga?
Sa ngayon po, sir, yung 402, sir, ang validation pong ginawa namin yan, that was late last year. And early this year, nag-conduct din po kami. Yan po yung 402. But this 402, sir, gumawa po kami ng folders for each of these 402 sites na mga POGOs na ibinigay po namin dito sa committee, wherein the committee turned this over to the League of Municipalities and League of Cities for them to check yung operation po ng mga 402 na ito, sir. And most of these 402, majority of the locations of these POGO sites are mostly in Metro Manila. And there is also few in Visayas and Mindanao.
Okay, let me get back to you. Let me proceed, Mr. Che, to question PAGCOR. Under your procedures, may I inquire from PAGCOR for purposes of clarification. Once a IGL or POGO is given a license and they operate, hindi pa ba na mandato ninyo to monitor these operations?
Opo, tama po.
1 minute, Congressman Pimentel.
To PAGCOR, can you please answer the question?
Yes po, tama po, na once po makancel po yung license ng operator, dapat po ma-monitor kung wala na po talaga silang operation dun sa declared site po nila.
Hindi. Pag na-cancel na yon, what I mean, yung ongoing ang operations, di ba mandated kayo na i-monitor po yon, hindi po ba?
Yes po, tama po.
Okay. Now, 2 weeks ago, paano ang monitoring nyo? Is it on a weekly basis or is it on a daily basis? Araw-araw ba nyo minomonitor yon? May bumibisita ba doon sa operation sa araw-araw?
Meron pong iba't ibang schedule po yung monitoring team po namin ng pagbisita po sa mga operating sites. Meron po silang mga sites na may 24/7 na bantay. Meron din naman pong mga twice a week po or daily. Meron din naman pong mga weekly po ang kanilang inspection po.
Okay. It is on record, Mr. Chair, na they have a monitoring system. Ngayon, ang tanong ko ito. 2 weeks ago, this committee, together with the PAOK, CIDG, and PNP officials, visited and made an inspection to Bamban, Tarlac, and Porac, Pampanga. During the inspection, nakita po namin, totoo po yun, dun sa Bamban, meron isa silang building kung saan nandun yung operation ng licensed POGO. However, if you go beyond that building, may maliliit na building doon na nakita namin na ginawa nilang scam farm. I'm just curious, bakit po sa araw-araw na pinupuntahan nyo yung PAGCOR na POGO license operations, sabi nga ninyo, meron 24/7, meron on a weekly basis, but the fact still remains na meron kayong monitoring system, bakit hindi nyo nakita yung scam farm, which is included in the Baufo compound? Nandun lang sila sa likod. Araw-araw, sabi nyo may monitoring kayo. Bakit hindi ninyo nakita yung scam farm doon? Almost 5 to 6 buildings na mga scam farm nandun. Can you answer my question?
That will be your last question, Congressman Pimentel.